This week, we'll be discussing our top 5 RV safety accessories to keep you, your family, and your rig safe. Whether you're taking a quick weekend trip or live full-time in your RV, our top 5 safety accessories may save your life. So grab a drink and join us for today's Maintenance Monday.
It must be Maintenance Monday. Woo! Let's get to work.
Our first RV safety accessory is an RV-rated fire extinguisher. There are 4 main types of fire extinguishers, labeled A, B, C, and D, or a combination of each. So how do you know which one's right for your RV? Most RV fires are caused by flammable liquids or electrical issues. So a BC extinguisher is your best option, but an ABC extinguisher is also good to keep on hand. It's important to remember the acronym PASS when it becomes time to use a fire extinguisher. First, P, pull the pin. A, aim at the base of the fire. S, squeeze the handle. And another S, to sweep back and forth until the flame is extinguished. If the flames become too large for a fire extinguisher to handle, leave the area and call the fire department. Always check your fire extinguisher regularly. As they technically don't expire, they can lose pressure over time, rendering them expired. You'll want to make sure the arrow's in the green area. And if it falls outside this zone, you can have your fire extinguisher recharged or get a new one. Where there's fire, there'll also be smoke, which leads us to our number 2 safety accessory, an RV smoke detector. In an RV, it's important to have a dual sensor detector. A dual sensor smoke detector will detect ionization from combustion of food or wood, as well as photoelectric burning from electrical equipment. Smoke detectors can be a first line of defense in a major emergency. Remember to test and change your batteries often. If it doesn't work, it can't save you. Our top 3 safety accessory is a liquid propane gas detector. Sometimes these are combined with a carbon monoxide detector. Your liquid propane detector should always be installed close to the floor, around 6 inches or lower, because propane gas is heavier than air and will settle near the floor. If this detector ever goes off, quickly put out all pilot lights, don't touch any electrical switches, and evacuate the area. Turn off the main gas supply. Then have a trained technician come check your system. False alarms can be caused by hairsprays, perfumes, aerosols, cleaning solvents, and low battery voltage. This leads us to our number 4, a carbon monoxide detector. Carbon monoxide is also known as the silent killer because it has no odor, so you don't know it's present. All new RVs will come with a carbon monoxide detector already installed, but if you have an older RV, they're not always there. You should check and get a battery-operated one if needed. As I said in number 3, these are oftentimes combined with a liquid propane gas detector. Carbon monoxide detectors should be installed on a wall closer to the ceiling, since carbon monoxide is lighter than air. These alarms are often set off by generators and nearby vehicle exhaust. Carbon monoxide poisoning symptoms include dizziness, vomiting, nausea, headache, weakness, and confusion. If you experience any of these symptoms, seek fresh air immediately. If these symptoms persist, seek medical attention. Number 5 on our list is a first aid emergency kit. Every member of your RV should know where to locate and how to use each item in your first aid kit. You never know to whom or when an accident may occur. Check your kit regularly for expiration dates and keep it fully stocked at all times. If traveling with pets, it's also a good idea to have a pet first aid kit handy. Lastly, all RVs, trailers, and campers have an emergency escape exit. Make sure all parties know where to locate and how to use this. It's a good idea to have an emergency plan and practice it. Your best defense to surviving an emergency is to be prepared and have a plan. If you found this video helpful, click that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and stay safe in all your travels.
Hey, let me tell you about Travel Tuesdays. If you enjoyed this stuff, Tuesdays every single week we release a video of all the wonderful places that we go. So check them out. They're right here. Yeah, right there. Over there. Somewhere around here. That's the one.